Hello guys, this is Strat. So we're making a video today explaining how to go over stocks, how to find stocks, how to find, like, you know what I mean, like movers. UNH. This is a mover right here. As you guys can see, big ass gap from 520 to 534. Big move, right? I'm gonna show you how you guys can spot this at the bottom. Usually I have my indicator on, but I just keep it like that. Okay, black. Boom. As you guys can see, look at this. What I trade is called the SMA plus a strat, right? Above the SMA is around 502. So let's mark that 502. 502, boom. This is when I would have got along and been like, okay, boom, let me predict where's it going. And this is how you predict stuff. They got this right here. Pivots. These are price actions, which stocks tend to go back to. So boom, you got two price targets at 521, right? So boom, 540. Again, as you guys can see, we're doing history right now. And this is a gap at 563. This is when it gapped down and started going down, right? Right. So as you guys can see, it gapped down to from 563 all the way down to 475, right? And at this moment right here, I wouldn't be looking at the stock. Let me make it at this moment right here, because it hasn't chose a side, right? The only time, sorry if I'm talking weird, I have, like, you know, the teeth cleaners in my mouth right now, so I'm not trying to, you know. So as you guys can see, it hasn't picking a side right here. The only time it picks a side is when it breaks out of all of this, which is when it's above the SMA, like right around here, 502 area, right? So 502 area, you're gonna be like, oh, where do I think this needs to go? Boom, we have a price target. First price target is 521, right? 521. Next price target is 530. So boom, as you can see, it's above 502. We have a price target to 521, 527, 539. As you can see, the stock hits 521 and breaks up immediately. Breaks up, has a retracement. It didn't break the SMA. That's why we use the SMA as a support system as well. So we use it as an entry and a support. So as you can see, it got above it. So our entries right here, as long as it doesn't break below the SMA, as you can see, it did break below the SMA, but usually that's what we call the bounce. It's called the support, resistance, entry, exit. You guys go look on my YouTube how to spot a bounce. Okay, so boom, here's the bounce, and then go straight up, right? And these contracts are printing right now. To do the math of how big a move this was. 502. Fuck, I can't see. The camera's in the way. My bad, guys. We're fighting the camera. 540. That's a $38 move. Usually 10 stocks that do $2 moves, easy $100, easy $150, depending on how much you put in. So a $40 move, $38 move is serious racks, right? I got $500 on these contracts. Yeah, now I'm supposed to prosper. Damn, so the mic died, guys. So I'm gonna still continue the video, but as you guys can see now, how to spot these are what I use are called scanners. So I have a video on the scanners. I'm gonna go more in detail in the next video, just because my camera died. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, make it quick. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and make sure to turn on bell notifications. Make sure to share this video as well to your friend. And I'm gonna be out of here, guys. Thank you for watching.